Then, slowly but surely, the ground beneath our feet began to move. Not just a few centimeters, and not just a few kilometers, but an entire mass of land, carrying cities and mountains alike. A whole continent shifted, rewriting the map of our world forever. This is the incredible story of the earthquake that moved a continent. Earthquakes shape our planet, shifting small patches of land every single day.
But what if a cataclysmic event moved absolutely everything at once?
From America to Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Norway, and New Zealand. The entire globe would feel the shockwaves of this massive shift. Let us dive deep and run the science behind this phenomenon. Part 1. Pressure. It all begins miles below the surface. Deep underground, massive tectonic plates lock together in a tight grip. From America to Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Norway, and New Zealand. It behaves exactly like a giant metal spring being pulled back. On the surface, animals are the first to sense the danger. Wild birds fight erratically in the sky as feathers fly everywhere. On the dry ground, massive herds clash in complete panic. Thick clouds of dust fill the air as they run blindly.
Nature always senses the impending disaster long before we humans do.
The tension becomes unbearable, waiting for the final, sudden snap. The earth holds its breath as the ultimate breaking point nears. Part 2. The break. The critical point is finally reached.
The locked tectonic plates suddenly slip, releasing all stored energy. A monumental magnitude 10.0 earthquake rips through the crust.
The solid ground begins to ripple like waves on water. Colossal mountains rise rapidly, while vast oceans begin to shift.
Two massive tectonic plates collide with unimaginable force and speed. Solid rock grinds against rock, generating heat and intense friction.
Immense dust clouds rise, completely blocking out the bright sun.
The deafening sound of the rupture circles the entire planet. Shockwaves travel thousands of miles, shaking every corner of Earth.
The world as we know it is torn apart in seconds. Part 3. The shift. The continental landmass begins to slide.
First 10 centimeters, then 1 meter, then 10 meters wide.
Fragile coastlines break apart and crumble into the deep sea.
Entirely new islands form as the seabed is forced upward.
The powerful ocean rushes into the newly created deep chasms.
Monster tsunamis race at jet speeds across the global oceans.
In the dense jungle, massive ancient trees topple and crash. Terrified animals run for their lives through the collapsing forest. In the turbulent sky, chaotic flocks of starlings scatter wildly. They fight desperately for air amidst the rising volcanic ash. The global map is being completely redrawn in real time. Nothing remains where it once stood, as geography is rewritten. Part 4. The New World. The chaos slowly subsides. After 24 hours of continuous shifting, the movement stops. The entire continent has moved a staggering 5 meters away. That small shift is enough to permanently alter global weather. Massive ocean currents shift, redirecting warm and cold water. Global rain patterns change, turning green forests into deserts. Global positioning systems fail completely, as coordinates are all wrong. International borders are now incorrect, causing confusion worldwide. But despite the immense scale of disaster, life slowly adapts. We are left with brand new land and fresh coasts. A new set of natural rules governs this reshaped world. Humanity looks out at an unfamiliar, silent landscape in awe. Here is the ultimate twist to this incredible geological story. This exact same phenomenon has actually happened many times before.
Not in a single sudden quake, but over millions of years.
Tectonic plates and continents drift constantly at 2 centimeters yearly. This single massive quake did 1,000 years of work. A millennium of geological movement compressed into just one day. The Earth is a living, breathing, and dynamic planet. It constantly moves, it breaks, and it eventually heals itself. We merely live on floating plates, not on solid rock. Deeply understanding how they move can save millions of lives. The entire continent has moved a staggering 5 meters away. We prepare for the next shift, respecting the earth beneath. The largest earthquake ever recorded was a magnitude 9.5. This historic event moved the country of Chile 10 meters. Precise global satellite data and modern technology proved it happened. To move an entire continent, you would need exponentially more. But fundamental laws of physics say it is entirely possible. It is just extremely rare in our planet's long history. Which continent do you think would change our world the most? Please share your thoughts and comment your ideas down below.
If you love Earth science, subscribe and ring the bell. We bring you new, fascinating educational videos every single day.
For viewers in America, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Norway, and New Zealand.
Join us tomorrow as we ask, what if all volcanoes erupted? We explore the terrifying concept of global volcanic eruptions at once.
This was the earthquake that moved an entire continental mass.